when you say I refuse, you actually mean there.
Okay.
There.
Okay. Don't.
It actually means I don't agree or I don't like. So you can say, let me type it on Skype so that it will be
Okay.
easier. Okay. One moment, please. I will just be typing. Okay. Okay. So when you actually say refuse, you're actually saying no. Okay? When you say I refuse, it means you don't agree.
You don't agree.
Okay? So you don't agree with something. So when Nobita said I refuse, it meant he did not agree with what Sewashi was saying. Okay? Okay, and let's look at some other phrases. So also you can see here, Nobu-san, something like what Doraemon said. Let me just erase the first few lines that I wrote, okay? So Doraemon said, do you want to see the album?
Do you want to see that about?
There. I'm just writing. Please bear with me.
Okay.
Okay. So there. Do you want to see the album?
Okay.
Can you see it from here?
Yeah.
Okay, nearer.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want?
Okay. Okay. I'll type it on Skype as well, so that's easier. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to see the album?
Do you want to see the album? Okay.
Remember what Raymond said? So, actually, that is a question form. Okay? That is a question because you can see there the use of question mark. Okay, this sign. Okay?
Question mark?
Yes. This mark is called a question mark. Okay? It is used when you ask questions. So, for example, you're going to ask me some question. You can say, do you want to study later? So, you're going to use a question mark. For example, okay, do you want to study later? There. So, when you ask question, it is very important that you actually use the question mark, okay?
Okay.
So,
Yes.
can you please try to ask me a question?
And
you can do that.
Do you want hold on.
Oh, it's okay.
Do you know?
You can do that.
Do you know iPhone?
Oh, okay. That is a good
iPhone?
question. Okay, so I will answer that by saying yes, I know the iPhone, but I don't have an iPhone because here in the Philippines, no, seriously, because here in the Philippines, iPhone is really expensive, so not everyone has it. Okay? Good. So now you know what I refuse and a question mark is for. Okay? So what we're going to do is that we are going to read the whole phrases again. Okay? So we're going to read page 13 and page 14 again. Okay?
Okay.
And later, if you have question about the lesson and not about the iPhone, you can ask me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's try to read starting with page 13.
Page 13.
Yes. So what we're going to do now is that I will let you read it by yourself, and then I will just correct you if there are still any corrections, okay? So can you start reading now with what Nobita is saying? Let's start with don't be stupid.
Don't be stupid.
Go on. I refuse. I strongly dislike her.
I refuse. I strongly
Okay.
dislike her.
Okay, that's good. That's better. That's better.
Better, okay.
And then, don't complain to me. Do you want to see the album?
Don't complain to me. Do you want to see the album?
Okay, one more time. Let's try that. Don't complain to me.
Don't complain to me.
Do you want to see the album?
Do you want to see the album?
Okay, good. And then, your wedding photo.
Your wedding photo.
Okay, let's try that again. Nobu-san, your wedding photo.
Your wedding photo.
Okay, your married life.
Your married life.
Okay, good. You're lying. Get out of here.
You're lying. Get out here. Get out
Okay,
of
let's...
here.
Okay, good. And then let's try page 14. I don't believe you.
Okay. I don't believe you. I don't believe.
Okay. So then, what happened?
What happened?
Okay. Nobita-chan,
Nobita-chan.
you had a horrible dream. There, dear.
Yeah. You had horrible dream. Dear.
Okay, let's try the word horrible again.
Okay. Horrible.
You had a... Okay, good. So let's try to read the whole phrase again. You had a horrible dream there. There, dear.
You had a horrible dream, dear. Dear. You horrible.
Okay, let's try that again.
Okay.
Let's try that again.
Yeah, okay.
You had a horrible dream. There, dear.
You had horrible dream, dear.
Okay, good. Then let's try what the father is going to say. People came out of here? That's impossible.
People came out of here? That's impossible.
Okay, let's try that again. People came out of here? That's impossible.
People came out of here? That's impossible.
Okay, let's try this, Nobu-san. When you see something like this, you also have to read the letter S. So, we're going to read it as that's with the letter S.
That's.
Okay, good. Let's try that again.
難しい。
Okay. Let's try that. People came out of here. That's impossible.
People came out of here. That's impossible.
Okay, good. That's much better. Let's try now. Yes, of course, you're welcome. Let's try now the last three phrases, okay? I'm sure Nobita will have a happy life.
I'm sure Nobita will have a happy life.
Okay, let me just explain that to you, Nobu-san, okay? When the manga said something like this. Okay. I typed it on Skype. You can check it there. So it says, Nobita will have a happy life. It actually means Nobita will have a happy life. Okay? It was just shortened. So, basically, Nobita will have a happy life is the same as Nobita will have a happy life. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go now to second to the last phrase. Don't worry, take it easy.
Don't worry, take it easy.
Okay, but really, his imagination is something.
But really, his imagination is something.
Okay, let's try one word for the last time.
Okay.
Okay, I know you can do this. Okay, really, let's pronounce it as
Really.
one more time. I know you can do that. Really.
Really.
Okay, that's better.
Really,
That's better.
Okay.
Okay, so Nobu-san, our class is almost finished, but before we finish our lesson, what we're going to do is that I will ask you if you have any questions about the lesson that we had. Do you have any question?
Oh, no question.
Are you sure?
It's clear.
Okay, so it's clear. So, let me just summarize the lesson, okay?
Okay.
So, basically, it's about, it's good that we had a lesson about pronunciation. So, we had that lesson just so I can know again if ever there are things that are needed to be improved in terms of your pronunciation and in terms of your expressions. Like, for example, if it means, if the picture showed that Nobita is angry, it's also good that we can read it like an angry person, like Nobita. Okay? Like, for example, when we read the part, I refuse, I strongly dislike her. So there should also be an expression. And also, as regards to your pronunciation, I think that it's really good. Because you know what? You can actually follow really well. Okay? So, next time, I hope that if we're going to have our lesson, what we're going to do is that we're just going to read more and more so that we can better improve your pronunciation. Okay?
Okay.
So I would have to say goodbye to you now. I hope you had fun with our discussion.
Okay.
Did you have fun?
It's fine.
Okay, so it's fine.
Okay.
I'll have to say
It's fine.
goodbye now, Nobu-san.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.